Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. In this video, we'll show you how to fill out W-3 Form 2024. Whether you're a small business owner or managing payroll duties, this form is essential for accurately reporting to the Social Security Administration. Let's simplify the process and ensure you submit it correctly. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in. The W-3 form is a transmittal form used alongside Forms W-2 to summarize employee earnings, taxes withheld, and other payroll information for the IRS. Remember, Form W-3 is only necessary when submitting paper copies of the W-2 forms. If you file these forms electronically, you must not submit a W-3. Paper forms should be mailed to the Social Security Administration by January 31st. Now let's see how to fill out your W-3 form using PDFLiner. First of all, click the link in the description to open the form. Once the editor is loaded, you can begin filling out the form. Click on Box A and enter your control number if you assign one this whole transmittal of wage and tax statements. This number is optional. Box B, check the correct kind of payer that applies to you. 941 is for those who file Forms 941 or 941 SS, and no other category applies. Military is for military employers sending Forms W-2 for members of the uniformed services. 943, check this box if you are file Form 943 and you are an agricultural employer. 944, check this box if you file Form 944 or the Spanish language version and no other category applies. CT1 is for railroad employers. Household employers are for employers who did not include the household employees' taxes on Forms 941, 941 SS 943, or 944. Medicare government employer. Check this box if you are a U.S., state, or local agency filing Forms W-2 for employees subject only to Medicare tax. And choose kind of employer based on your business structure. None apply. Check this box if none of the checkboxes discussed next apply to you. 501c Non-Gov-T is for a non-governmental tax-exempt section. 501c Organization. Types of 501c non-governmental organizations include private foundations, public charities, social and recreation clubs, and veterans organizations. State-local non-501c is for state or local government or instrumentality. This includes cities, townships, counties, special purpose districts, public school districts, or other publicly owned entities with governmental authority. State-local 501c is in case you have received a determination letter from the IRS indicating that you are also a tax-exempt organization under Section 501c. 3. The last is if you are filing for a federal government entity or instrumentality. Box C. Indicate the total number of W-2 forms you are filing. Box D. Establishment number. You may use this box to identify separate establishments in your business. You may file a separate Form W-3 with Forms W-2 for each establishment even if they all have the same EIN, or you may use a single Form W-3 for all Forms W-2 of the same type. Boxes E, F, and G are for your identification. Write your employer ID number, full legal name, and address, and make sure this information is correct. Now, let's go to the numbers. In boxes 1 through 19, you enter totals from all the W-2 forms you submit. This includes wages, federal income tax withheld, Social Security wages and taxes, Medicare details, Social Security tips and allocated tips, dependent care benefits, non-qualified plans, deferred compensation, and state or local tax information. Ensure all monetary amounts are accurate and align with the W-2 forms. At the end of the form, you are required to enter your contact information, such as the contact person's name, phone number, fax number, and email address. Double-check that your employer identification number, EIN, and the tax year are correct on the W-3 and all W-2 forms. Any errors in totals or misclassifications can lead to processing delays or penalties. Sign form using the signature field and date the form at the bottom, certifying that the information is correct to the best of your knowledge. Now you can print your W-3 by choosing the download option and clicking the Print File button. Mail the completed W-3 along with all W-2 forms to the appropriate SSA address. If you found this guide helpful, Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tax-related tips and document guides. Using PDFLiner, you can easily fill out, sign, and manage all your documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms at any time from any device. Learn more at pdfliner.com.